when America says you cannot buy oil from somebody? It means our energy is weaponized. What does it mean when they say your tariffs will go down, our tariffs will go down and yours will come up? It means finance trade is weaponized. So you are telling us that the world is a place where geopolitical conflict is intensifying. You're telling us energy and finance being weaponized, and then you're having it done to you. You're having it done to our farmers. You're having it done to our youngsters. You're handing our data over. How can you even make these statements? How can you even come to this house and talk this type of nonsense? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not ashamed of giving?
No. We are patiently listening to Honorable Leader of Opposition. We are patiently listening. But the words.
So I'm not yielding, sir.
No, but you are saying shameful. You are saying nonsense.
Nonsense.
So how can you? Okay,
when the finance minister replies in the evening, the leader of opposition should listen to the reply of the honorable finance minister. Yes. My request is, please use the word whatever you choose to use, but don't make it abusive. It doesn't.
That's not abusive, my friend.
Nonsense. जो nonsense आपने use किया वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. Nonsense is not an appropriate.
I did not use nonsense, sir.
You have used.
Okay, sir, I won't use nonsense.
Please.
Sir, ashamed is not an abuse.
No.
There's nothing. In saying, are you not ashamed? There is no abuse.
No, ashamed you can use.
I am just stating.
Whatever you have,
okay, sir, let me speak.
Forgotten, I think so.
I am saying, Speaker, sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India?
Yes.
Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him.
Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please.
He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck. स्पीकर साहब, मैंने बोला जब चोक लगाते हैं दूसरे व्यक्ति की आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है सर. पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है. दिख रहा है सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं. स्पीकर सर दो चीजें हैं सर. एक सर एप्स्टीन केस. सर 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं. नहीं क्यों बोल रहे हैं? नहीं, I will not allow you. आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए. नहीं देखिए, आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया. किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया.
Okay, Speaker sir, वो Epstein की बात नहीं कर रहा.
Is not related with the budget.
Okay, sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow you. That will
I'm not saying Epstein. Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is the central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के कोई सदस्य नहीं जिसपे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे सवाल देंगे? किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं. अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़
okay, तो बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए.
आप सर अदानी जी जो है,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए. देखिए, आप जो भी चाहें अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें. बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर.
बजट पे आलोचना
सर आप मुझे करने दीजिए.
आपको बिल्कुल लगा. आप बैठिए बेनी बहन जी, आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी करें तो आप ये सदन नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को। बस।
Sir, Mr. Adani is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कहाँ नहीं, क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the
BJP. You are
BJP.
leveling charges against higher authorities, and only you can speak. श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल,
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना इनकी आदत बन गई है, टिपिकली सुनाते हैं।
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोगों ने बार-बार कहा, हम लोग बहुत शांति से
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर,
आई एम वेरी
पूरा सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
सर हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just making any wild allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will
Give me.
diminish your own
I'll
position.
give you a reason. I'll give you a reason.
You are leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are
Now
here
let
to
me
listen,
speak.
but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair,
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है, sir.
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए, a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of proceeding of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its subject. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें और